Ever felt lost in a maze of tasks? What if you had a map that guides every step? Flowcharts are that map. Flowcharts turn chaos into clarity. They show you exactly how work flows from start to finish. By mapping processes, you eliminate waste and boost output. In this video, you will get a clear roadmap on how to build a flowchart that drives maximum efficiency. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. In this video, you will learn and understand what is flowchart, why flowchart matters, how to create a flowchart, what are the best practices and common pitfalls of flowchart, and finally, the conclusion. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a visual representation of a process. It uses shapes and arrows to depict each action and decision. This simple language makes complex processes easy to understand. Why flowcharts matter? Flowcharts reveal hidden delays. They spot errors before they happen. They uncover redundant steps that waste time. They align teams around a common view. They speed up training for new employees. They help maintain consistent results. With a clear map, everyone knows their role. How to create a flowchart. There are 6 easy steps to create a flowchart. Step 1. Define your scope. Begin by choosing the process you want to map. Set clear boundaries, a definite start and end. Keep the scope manageable. Focus on the most impactful activities. This ensures your chart remains clear and actionable. Step 2. Gather the details. Interview the people who perform the work. Document each action they take. Note every decision they make. Record the time each step takes and who hands off to whom. Accurate data makes your flowchart reliable. Step 3. Select your symbols. Use standard symbols to avoid confusion. Use rectangles for tasks. Use diamonds for decisions. Use circles for start and end points. Use arrows to show the flow direction. Consistent symbols make charts intuitive. Step 4. Draft the flowchart sketch. Your chart on paper or a whiteboard. Start at the top and work downward. Place each shape in sequence. Connect shapes with arrows. Keep steps simple and clear. A rough draft helps you visualize the full process. Step 5. Review and refine. Share the draft with your team for feedback. Ask them to spot missing steps or loops. Look for unnecessary branches. Update the chart until it is complete and easy to follow. A polished flowchart reflects real work. Step 6. Implement and monitor. Integrate the flowchart into daily operations. Train new team members using the chart. Track key metrics at each step. Regularly review performance data. Adjust the flowchart as you discover improvements. What are the best practices and pitfalls of flowchart? Keep symbols and labels consistent. Limit each chart to a single process. Store charts in a shared location. Review them quarterly to ensure accuracy. Avoid overcomplicating the design. Don't skip team input or fail to update the chart. In conclusion, flowcharts are simple tools with huge impact. They guide every team member, cut waste, and boost quality. Now, are you ready to master flowchart mapping? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Comment below with your thoughts on flowchart. Let us learn and grow together. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.